I wish I knew what you're saying. Are chickens? You said chickens? I know. I love it when you whisper to me. That's right. That's right. I love you. Are you whispering to me? What's you saying? That's right. I hear you. I get it. That's right. He pisses me off too, my husband. Sean does that to us, right? You gonna meet Sean? You gonna meet Sean? Yeah? You gonna dance again? You gonna dance? Huh? Are you just tired now? You tired? Are you hungry? Do you want to eat something? Are you hungry? You want a treat? Does Petrie want a treat? Huh? What? I know. That's right. I know. What are you going to do about it? What you going to do? What you going to do? I love you. You're so gentle. I love you. I love you. You cutie. Kiss, 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 kiss. I love you. Kiss, kiss. Oh, kiss, kiss. I love you. Yes. Yes. Petrie. I love Petrie. Yeah. Oh, are you going to get the phone? Are you going to talk on the phone? Yes. You going to talk on the phone? Are you going to answer the phone for me? Because I don't like talking on the phone. Do you like talking on the phone? I don't know about that.